Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'm going to start with the UK FTSE futures. Now, after 4 consecutive sessions of indecisive spinning tops, Friday gave us a key reversal up. Now, this is important because there's a continuing close over the 2021 downtrend, currently at 66.35. This downtrend makes up the upper trend line of a short-term sideways triangle. Now, the lower trend line is the late January to date uptrend, currently at 65.05, and that's sitting below, obviously. The importance of all this is that after a 4-day break higher that has basically done nothing, we've now a fresh bullish impetus on Friday. Hence, it is time to give an initial target X on the upside to this short-term sideways triangle. This would be in the 70.05 area. There are many obstacles in the way on the way up there. Initially, I looked to the March 2020 high at 68.71. Now, so far today, a much higher opening, almost gapping higher, but then a pullback lower, though not as far as Friday's close. German DAX futures. A bearish black crow on Friday at the top of the market. Not a surprise to see some profit taking before the weekend. It's also not surprising to see smaller ranges up here, as just above we have the upper bull channel, currently at 14.597 of the May/June starting 2020 to date bull channel, plus the first projected 50% Fibonacci overhead at 14.634. All this brings into focus my original target X for the recent ragged reverse head and shoulders pattern. That's in the 15.520 area. But it really doesn't help matters if we start stalling at the combined upper bull channel line and projected 50% Fibonacci line. So far today, a try higher, then a pullback down. Seems that today, right now, the market doesn't have enough of a bullish incentive to try to break this big overhead wall, whilst only using a small stone chisel. Hence, the pullback down. Please note, and this is important, the next real support below is at the February high, at the 14.193 GAN number. US E-mini S&P futures. An indecisive spinning top on Friday, though it was the highest close ever of the market. And I suppose you could also just about, if you squint with your eyes, call it a 4th bullish white soldier, though I would not be comfortable with that. It was additionally a second consecutive close over the short moving average, currently at 39.09, and once again challenging the overhead rising middle time, currently at 39.62, the broken, but still important, late December 2020 to early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. Now, this pitchfork, though broken, still seems to be important and core in driving up the recent markets. I've been tempted to draw a new bullish pitchfork for the recent early February to early March action, but I've resisted it as I think it's best to see what the market does first. And firstly, what it does at the middle time of the existing bullish Andrews pitchfork, and secondly, at the high of the market back in February. We've been close to both so far, but I'd like to see a few more sessions. So far today, a higher open and a fresh attempt at the all-time high and middle time, but a limited try, not managing to breach either as yet. French CAC 40 futures. A 5th bullish white soldier on Friday and another new recent high. The market forged its way higher, clinging onto the underside of the overhead middle time, currently at 60.69 of December 2020 to January 2021 bullish pitchfork, Andrews pitchfork. So far today, a higher open and spike up over the middle time before coming back into unchanged on the day, and suspiciously looking like an indecisive doji cross right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.